Hello, friends. Today we will discuss a relevant topic for all competitive exams, why gold reserves are essential or important for an economy. So, first of all, we know what are gold reserves. Gold reserves are the amount of gold held by a country's central bank, for example, RBI in India, as part of its foreign exchange reserves. It act as a store of value and support the stability of nation's currency and economy. For example, in 2025, the Reserve Bank of India holds over 800 tons of gold, forming around 8 to 10% of India's total forex reserve. Importance of gold reserves. It strengthens currency value. Gold adds intrinsic value of a country's reserves. When central bank holds large gold reserves, it builds trust in its currency because gold is universally valuable. For example, during currency volatility, countries with higher gold reserves face less depreciation pressure. Second is hedge against inflation. Gold's value usually rises when inflation increases. Hence, central banks keep gold as a hedge protection against inflation according to the value of paper assets. For example, during global inflation spikes in 2021-22, the price of gold rose, protecting the real value of reserves. Third is diversification of foreign exchange reserves. Gold provides diversity in reserve assets. Instead of holding only US dollars, euros, or yen, which fluctuate with market trends, countries hold gold as stable, no correlated assets. For example, RBI holds foreign assets, USD, euro, etc., plus gold to reduce overall risk. D. Confidence during economic crisis. In times of global financial instability or war, currencies can lose value, but gold retains universal demand. For example, during 2008 global financial crisis, many countries sold part of their gold to stabilize their currencies or balance of payments. Fifth point is support for balance of payments. If a country faces BOP crisis, lack of foreign currency to pay imports, it can sell or place gold to borrow funds internationally. Its example is in 1991, India placed 67 tons of gold to IMF and Bank of England to overcome severe BOP crisis. This move restored investors' confidence and helped India to avoid default. Sixth, enhances creditworthiness. High gold reserves makes a country financially credible in gold markets. It signals strong backing for its currency and borrowing capability. Investors and rating agencies view gold reserve as a sign of financial strength. Seventh, act as a strategic asset. Gold is not dependent on any country or political system, unlike foreign currency reserves. Hence, it provides sovereign security against geopolitical risk or sanctions. For example, after Western sanctions on Russia in 2022, Russia relied more on gold to secure its financial system. India's gold reserve scenario in 2025. Total gold held by RBI is 800 tons at present. Its value in USD terms is around 50 to 60 billion dollar. Share in total forex reserves about 8 to 9%. Stored locations part in India, Nagpur, Mumbai, and abroad, Bank of England, BIS. Why gold reserves matter for India? It supports rupees stability, ensures liquidity in emergency, strengthens gold financial standing, act as a safeguard against currency fluctuations. Gold versus paper assets features gold foreign currency stability, high stability, long-term stability, based liquidity, medium or high inflation protection. Political risk is weakened, none can be affected by sanction, return, no interest bearing. Gold reserves are like nation's financial insurance policy. They secure currency, boost confidence, and provide strength during economic shocks.